In primetime news this evening, persons who mount phones on their dashboard get reprieve.
Jamaica removed from Fat F's grey list. What does this mean?
Francis frowns as MVP laments testing of Kishane Thompson running 9.82 in 100 meters trials. Well, good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys.
Hi, Javon. And I'm Janella Precious with the Financial Week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, the IMF says the outlook for Jamaica's economy is positive but subject to downside risks. We'll have the details in the Financial Week.
Certainly looking forward to those reactions. Now with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Giovanni Dennis.
Well, as you heard Javon mention just now, MVP boss Stephen Francis is raising concern after his athlete Kishane Thompson was tested following his 9.82 run in the opening round of the 100 meters at the National Senior Trials. I'll have that plus all the very latest from day 2 of the National Senior and Junior Track and Field Championships at the National Stadium.
And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your predictions for the men's 100 meters and the women's 100 meters final tonight?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.